So for group 3, we have 5 members. The first member is Muhammad Muzammil, then Muhammad Mahadi, Aina Syafiqah, and me, Muhammad Haris Afwan. And the last one members is Muhammad Haikal Aiman. We are from BTMI Section 1.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Muzammil. I'm from group 3 and we will present about what is HRIS. So as my group, we will decide to choose the PETRONAS company to study about what HRIS in PETRONAS company and why PETRONAS adopts. First thing, we go to the organizational profile. And what means PETRONAS? PETRONAS means is a petroleum national berhad, and the core business is to about oil and gas exploration, and another is production and process. So the vision and mission about PETRONAS company is to be a progressive energy and solution partner, enriching life for a suitable future. This encompasses a broad range of activities including emission, growing, renewable energy. And the vision of PETRONAS is to aim market leadership and achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050. And the last one is about organizational is key value in company in a PETRONAS business. First, we have energy and solution. The PETRONAS aim to be a leading provider of energy and solution both for today need and for the future. And the second key is commitment to sustainability. So a core component of PETRONAS mission is a commitment to sustainability, including achieving a net zero carbon emission by 2050 and promoting a circular economy. Okay, the second part is introduction about HRIS in PETRONAS. So first thing is, what is HRIS? HRIS means System or Human Resource Information System, where one of the first commercial software companies that we developed in 1918. So why the PETRONAS company adopt the HRIS? So first point is to collecting and processing all data that will serve as the basis. Second, to have employee attain the organizational goals and objective. Last one, to manage their safety program, where it will be both advantageous and effective in the manner. So HRIS implementation in this company is this company has launched the My Career X that allow employee to drive their own career paths. The platform encourages transparency of the organization and fairly allows employees to look for orders across the PETRONAS. The second one is regardless of the supporting specified and partly confidential information. The management and validity of data make HRIS a valuable and legitimate resource for strategic human resources management, training and development in work.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I will explain about how PETRONAS implement the HRIS using the PLOC framework, which stands for Planning, Organizing, Leading, Staffing and Controlling. So during the planning stage, PETRONAS had a clear vision to future-proof their HR by integrating AI, automation and cloud technologies, especially with help from partners like Microsoft. This strategy helped them to respond fast during COVID-19 and even earn them an award for digital transformation. Next, under organizing, they centralized HR operation under a shared service model, which made process more efficient and allowed better collaboration across departments. In staffing, PETRONAS recruitment and introduced platforms like My Career Ads to perform tracking and My Learning Ads to support employee growth and development. Through leading, managers now use data dashboard and predictive analytics to make informed decisions about talent planning and retention. Lastly, for controlling, PETRONAS runs regular audit, ensure data privacy, and improves the system continuously based on user feedback, proving that the HRIS isn't just a tool but a long-term strategy.
Hi, Mahadi here. Next, HRIS challenges effecting and HRIS implementation. The first challenges that PETRONAS face is system integration challenges, compatibility with legacy system. The legacy system PETRONAS face data integration issue because they use different data structure formats such as a flat file, relation databases, and custom system. It is lead to human error because they use manual data entry. PETRONAS still use legacy system because to change from manual data to HRIS is high cost and complexity. So they must spend more budget and it can affect on their expenses. Net technical mismatch, meaning the mismatch between modern HRIS and old system because of legacy system. The lack of modern HRIS lead them to still work manually in HR. Second challenges is employee adaptation, resistant to digital HR workflow. Is this because PETRONAS employees fear to change and low on digital skill, especially for older employees, because they will struggle with the system so that they're not fluent. So when to change to HRIS, they fear with their workflow not going use anymore, and this will affect in workflow description such as employee daily routine. Switching to a digital system can disrupt productivity temporarily. Last challenge is cybersecurity risk. Protecting sensitive HR data from cyber threat, such as cybersecurity threat, with access control and misconfiguration cloud security. When HRIS system is weak, lead to company to face employee information leak, data abuse and privacy data. The employee and company data not safe anymore because their data can exposure to public. Next, solution implemented by PETRONAS. To settle their problem, PETRONAS sent their employee for HRIS training program. So PETRONAS identifies specific learning where their employee needs to train and they choose the right training method to ensure their employee know how to use HRIS system. This training can evaluate and improve their employee. PETRONAS get feedback from their employee on how training works, so from that, PETRONAS can analyze why the training can be improved and their HRIS system can be stronger than before. Next, PETRONAS makes stronger cybersecurity frameworks. A stronger cybersecurity needs stronger control. To ensure data security and privacy are safe, PETRONAS regularly do update and enforce stronger control, data minimization techniques, and HRIS security and AI. Through regular system update, access control and inscription, PETRONAS can protect sensitive employee information and company data. Next, improve HRIS system usability. Strategy that PETRONAS use to improve their HRIS system is let it learn, quality control, and analytical capability. PETRONAS strengthens its HRIS system through continuous learning, strong quality control, and data-driven analytics. This strategy can enhance HR operation, ensure data security, and support better decision making. As a result, PETRONAS can manage employee information effectively while improving overall HR performance.
So today I will briefly explain HR roles in HRIS implementation at PETRONAS. So first, under policy development and compliance, HR ensure the system follow laws like the Employee Act 1955 and Industrial Relation Act 1967. They translate company policies into system logic such as leaving tracking, work hour and hiring. And also, they ensuring data privacy and working closely with IT and legal teams. Next, under employee training and digital literacy, HR design comprehensive training programs to help employees use HRIS confidently. They promote digital literacy by offering step-by-step guide, simple training session, and extra support for those less familiar with technology. HR also leads change management initiative by explaining the benefits, addressing employee concerns which make the transition easier and more successful. Lastly, under change management and stakeholder engagement, HR manage employee concerned about automation and new process. They collaborate with payroll, IT, finance, and operation to ensure the system work well for everyone. HR collect feedback through surveys and feedback sessions, and they also appoint employee guides to support their colleagues during the transition. So with this effort, PETRONAS ensures smooth and successful HRIS implementation that benefits everyone. Next, how PETRONAS ensure its HRIS system is effective, compliant, and aligned with industry best practice. So first, from the government side, PETRONAS follow the Employment Act 1955 to manage things like work hour, leave, and resignation. The Industrial Relation Act 1967 help to handle conflict fairly, while the Personal Data Protection Act 2010 protect employee information. So PETRONAS also use the HR Shared Service Center or SSC, where the employee can easily check leave, salary, or update personal data or information on one platform. Secondly, PETRONAS follow industry best practice by learning from successful company in energy, manufacturing, and technology to avoid costly mistakes. They attend conference and expert briefing to stay updated on the latest HR trends and technologies. PETRONAS also conduct employee survey and feedback session to understand employee needs and improve workplace satisfaction. In addition, they use smart automation to streamline recruitment, process leave approval faster, and handle daily HR tasks more efficiently. Lastly, PETRONAS use a few HR software vendors to support its HRIS systems. For example, SAP SuccessFactors is used for employee training, performance tracking, and career development. Next, Workday software also help to automate hiring, manage payroll, and handle workforce planning, and also reducing manual paperwork. Meanwhile, Oracle HCM Cloud uses artificial intelligence or AI to predict workforce needs, identify future leaders, and also enhance employee engagement. By combining all these sources, PETRONAS ensures its HRIS system is efficient, compliant, and supports employees well.
My name is Muhammad HRIS bin Ibrahim. My matrix number B0624101887. So today I will present to you guys about the three strengths of HRIS in PETRONAS. Okay, in PETRONAS Human Resource Information System, the first strength is centralized data management. PETRONAS Human Resource Management is an example of ability to manage data in centralized form. It combines all the information to human resource management at one platform, and it can improve data efficiency, reduce duplication of work, and keeping up to date data information on trend. The inventory comprise employee profits, attendance records, payroll data, performance review, trainings record, and so on. This data can improve the efficiency of operation of PETRONAS company. The next one is employee self-service. Employee self-service is fortunate to have a powerful portal through the HRIS. It's enabled for employees to carry out a few HR transactions on their own, such as updating personal details, submitting a leave applications, download a payslip, and raise expense claim. Employee self-service allow employees to take control of their work-related corporate data by increased efficiency for employees by reduced HR workload. The last one is enhance their decision making. Okay, how PETRONAS enhance their decision making by using AI analytics. By using AI analytics, the HRIS can analyze large volumes of employee data to expose trends, patterns, and relationships which would be very difficult to find without AI. For example, like AI can be used to find early warnings of disengagement or survey response. So, I will present 3 weaknesses that we identify from our interview session with representative of PETRONAS company. Okay, we identified the first one is limited mobile accessibility. Limitation on mobile use is a challenge for our employees in a few work settings such as remote location, field operation, or on-site projects. A simple mobile access process, even through an app, is essential in today's workforce when working remotely and flexibility. The second one is integrated challenge with systems. In some parts of PETRONAS, is it possible that all departments continue to use manual process or older software application in HR function? For example, like scheduling, payroll process, or time capture. The lack of SSD standards may result in delay updates to record and reporting, less likelihood for mistake, and the ability to create and unify a view of the workforce. And the last one is data security concerns. Data security is a significant issue in a system that contains sensitive employee data, including personal information, financial information, and performance information. Unprotected in risk could expose PETRONAS to cybersecurity threats, which can lead to a data breach or violations. 3 recommendations that I can give from the weakness of risk in PETRONAS company. The first one is mobile accessibility to the human resource information system needs to be increased and streamlined. With today's era of digital technology, employees do not just work in the office anymore, but also from other locations such as project sites. PETRONAS can provide real-time access for employees. The second one is PETRONAS can improve their human resource management by using AI in the HR system. AI technology allows companies to investigate employee information and make forecasts on behavior and requirement in the future. The last one is digital training. PETRONAS can implement digital training initiative in their company. For example, like e-learning approach involve interactive content such as micro-learning courses, video learning, and the use of virtual reality. It can improve learning effectiveness.
In conclusion, PETRONAS has made remarkable progress in modernizing its HR functions through the successful adoption of HRIS. However, to remain competitive and future-ready, continuous improvement is very important. Focusing on upgrading technological capabilities, enhancing data security, and providing ongoing employee training will ensure that the HRIS remain efficient, secure, and user-friendly. This improvement will not only support operational excellence but also strengthen PETRONAS' position as a forward-thinking and employee-centric organization.